Hey Veena. Have you heard about this cool iPhone app called Moji? It lets you buy gift cards from hundreds of merchants, and use your iPhone to pay for stuff at their stores.
Of course I have. Everyone's talking about it. All my friends have downloaded it already. And it's not just for iPhone, it's also available for Android. It's so cool.
Indeed it is. And the coolest thing is that you earn rewards each time you use it. Did you know that the company that developed it is based in Singapore?
Don't be silly. Of course I do. The app was developed by Mobile Media Creations, or M2C for short.
Wow. You seem to be up to speed. Indeed. Moji was developed by M2C in Singapore. Take a look at their cool website at www.m2c.com.sg.
I've seen it already, Paul. I even remember their witty tagline. Small company. Big ideas. I thought it was brilliant.
Yeah? And their big idea. One is Moji. To learn more about it, you can send them an email at contact@m2c.com.sg, or give them a ring on +65 6 2 9 7 1 7 2 7.
Oh, by the way, Paul, since you've downloaded this app already, you must know that it lets you send gifts to friends. Why then haven't you sent me a Moji gift for my birthday yet?
In fact, I just got a reminder from Moji this morning that your birthday is coming up in a week. I just didn't know what you wanted for your birthday.
Oh come on, Paul. That's just an excuse. You know you can check my wish list on Moji and find out what I want. Quit chatting and buy me a Moji gift now. See you later, Paul.